Writing style engaging. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics in tech right now, PushButton AI. Is it just another tech trend or is it truly a game changer for 2024? Let's get into it. So what exactly is PushButton AI? In simple terms, it's a new breed of artificial intelligence that promises to deliver high-level AI functionalities with the push of a button. Sounds impressive, right? But with all great promises comes great scrutiny. Here's the deal. PushButton AI has been framed as a tool that democratizes advanced AI capabilities. This means not just tech giants, but startups and individuals could potentially build sophisticated AI systems without the need for extensive coding knowledge. Imagine creating a personal AI assistant or a complex data analysis tool with just a few clicks. Now let's talk performance. Early tests show that PushButton AI can handle a range of tasks from voice recognition to predictive analytics quite effectively. But there's a catch. Critics argue that while it's accessible, it might not be as refined or customizable as more traditional AI solutions. This leads us to question, are we sacrificing quality for convenience? Moreover, there's the issue of AI ethics and safety. With AI becoming more accessible, the risks associated with misuse or unintended consequences also skyrocket. It's crucial that as AI becomes more user-friendly, it also needs to be equipped with robust ethical guidelines and safety measures. So, is PushButton AI worth your time in 2024? If you're a tech enthusiast looking to experiment with AI, absolutely. It's a fantastic tool for learning and exploring the potential of AI without diving deep into coding. However, for those seeking highly specialized AI applications, it might still be beneficial to rely on traditional, custom-built AI solutions. There you have it. PushButton AI definitely brings a lot to the table, offering convenience and accessibility. But like all tools, it has its limitations. It's not just about whether it works. It's about whether it works for you and your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights and reviews. Catch you in the next one. Now that we've explored what PushButton AI is and its potential, let's take a closer look at some of its real-world applications. How is it being used today, and what does that mean for you? Imagine having the power to streamline complex processes in healthcare, finance, or even in your daily personal management, all with minimal input and maximum output. First up, healthcare. Hospitals are starting to use PushButton AI for everything from patient scheduling to predictive diagnostics. This means quicker, more accurate care without bogging down medical staff with tedious tasks. In finance, algorithms powered by PushButton AI are transforming how we manage our money. They make real-time decisions on stock trades, manage portfolios, and even assist in fraud detection, making these systems invaluable to both individual investors and large financial institutions. For the creatives out there, PushButton AI is a game changer. From generating music, art, and literature to enhancing the creative process through rapid prototyping of ideas, the possibilities are endless. Artists and designers are finding that PushButton AI can be a partner in the creative process, offering new ways to express themselves and experiment with new styles. And let's not overlook the potential in everyday life. Personalized AI assistants can manage schedules, suggest activities, and even help manage personal finances, all tailored to individual preferences and habits. With these applications in mind, the potential of PushButton AI becomes not just a future possibility, but a present reality. It's clear that PushButton AI isn't just about making things easier, it's about making them better. Whether you're a professional in a high-stakes industry or just someone looking to optimize your day-to-day life, PushButton AI has something to offer. So I encourage you to dive in, explore the features, and see how PushButton AI can benefit your life and work. The future is here, and it's just one push of a button away.